In the previous video, we have complete up to main 16. Today we will start from main 17. Now see, first of all read the questions. Write in figures. Write in figures means यहाँ पे आपको figure लिखनी है, numbers लिखने हैं. Spelling is already given. See, first one 4,315. So write down here 4,315. Next one 8,007. 8,007. 2,100. 2,100. 6,030. 6,030. 7,707. 7,707. Not 70, huh? यहाँ पे आप लिखोगे 7,770, then it's wrong. 707. Now see the main 18. Write in words. See, first one 7,642. Here you have to write down in the words 7,642. FORTY 42. If you have written FOURTY, then it's a wrong. See the next one, second one 4,065. So 4,065. 9,687. 9,687. See here fourth one 2006. Here you have to write down the spelling of 2006. Fifth one 8,090. Here also you have to write down the spelling of 8,090 in words. See main 19. Write the place value of each digit in the numbers given below. Here see each digit. In questions also they have given each digit individually. See first one 3,456. Here 3 is given. First of all you have to see that 3 is on which place. So here you have to write down first of all units. This is on tens place, this is on 100 place, and this is on 1000 place. So 3 is on which place? 1000 place. And in 1000 how many 0 comes? 30. So the place value of 3 is 3000. 4 is on 100 place. And in 100 20 comes. So the place value of 4 is 400. Here 5 is on tens place. And in the tens how many 0 comes? 1. So the place value of 5 here is 50. And 6 is on units place. And in unit no 0 comes. So you have to write down 6 only. Similarly we see the next one here 5,308. 5 is on which place? 1000 place. So 5,000. 3 is on which place? 100 place. So 300. 0. The place value of 0 is 0. 8. 8 is on units place. So 8. Similarly this remaining 2 you have to do by it yourself. 4,010. Okay. 9,000. Now main 20. Write the number represented by abacus in figures and words. See here. abacus is given. Okay, now start from ones place. On ones, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write down here 4. Tens place, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. 100 place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So write down here 6. Thousands place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8. And in 10,000 place, 3 beads are there, 1, 2, 3. So put here comma. Okay, 38,654. Here you have to write down in the word also. 38,000. 38,654. Similarly, see the next one. On ones place, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write down here 5. On tens place, no beads are there. So put 0 here. 100 place, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Thousands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So your number is 86,405. Write down here in words. 86,405. Now see the next one, 21. Write in figures. Here words are given. You have to write in the figures. Let's see the first one. 24,642. 24,642. See next one. 50,007. 50,000. In 50,000, first of all, how many places come after 5? 4. Okay. 50,007. See the third one. 38,070. So 38,070. So here 0 and 70. 38,070. 90,800. 90,800. 62,404. 62,404. Now you have to write down in the words. 24,578. So write down 24,578. Okay, here 37,009. 37,009. Similarly, 48,060. 48,060. 56,902. 56,902, 72,800, 72,800. See, main 23. Write the place value of each digit of the numbers given below. Previously we have done the place value of thousands. Okay, here 10,000 place also there. So see, first of all, see the number 62,139. Here we have written units, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Similarly, 6 is on which place? 10,000 place. So in 10,000 place, how many zero comes? 4 zero comes. Okay, so how we read? 60,000. Okay, 2 is on thousands place. So how many zero comes? 3. 1 is on 100 place. So how many comes? 0. 2. Okay, 3 is on tens place. So 30. 9 is on unit place. So 9. 83,024. 8 is on 10,000 place. So 4 0 comes. 3 is on thousands place. So 3 0 comes. 0. Place value of 0 is 0. 2 is on tens place. So 20. 4 is on units place. So 4 only. Now 91,007. Place value of 9. 9 is on 10,000 place. So 4 0 comes. 90,000. 1 is on thousands place. So 3 0. 1,000. 0. So 0. Place value of 0 is 0. Again 0. Now 7 is on units place. So 7 only. Now see the next question. Match the correct pairs. Here section A and section B is given. Here you have to write down the answer. First of all, see 48,030. Here you have to find out 48,030. Where is it? 48,030. Here 48,030. C. So write down here C. 48,300. 48,300 here. 48,300. D. So write down here D. 48,003. 48,003 here. Okay. E. 48,303. 48,303. B. Now 48,033. 48,033. A. Now see next question, main 25. Arrange the following numbers in the ascending order. Ascending order means what? जब भी आप सीढ़ी चढ़ते हो तो नीचे से ऊपर, smaller to bigger, that's the ascending number. So first of all, here you have to see that which number is the smaller one. See, 13,030 is given, 30,130 is given, 22,030 is given. Out of three numbers, which one is the smaller here? This one. Okay. So write down here 13,030. After that, which number comes? This one. 22,013. After that, this one. 30,130. See the next one. 43,600, 43,006 and 43,016. Which one is the smaller here? this number. Okay, so write down here 43,006. After that, which number comes? This one, 43,060, and the remaining one, 43,600. Okay, see the third one, 67,080, 68,070, and 60,870. See here 67, here 68, and here 60. So 60 is the smaller? No. So write down here 60,870. After that 67, 67,080, and after that 68,070. Okay. Now see the next question. Arrange the following numbers in the descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Okay. First of all, see the number 90,865, 95,765, 96,665. Again see here 90, here 95, here 96. So which one is the bigger? 96. So write down 96,685. After that 95,765. After that 90,865. See the next one, 20,104, 21,004, and 20,410. See here two numbers started from similar digit, 20, 20. See here 104, here 410. So which one is the greater? This one. But before that, this 21 is greater. So write down 21,004. After that, this 20,410. Then 20,104. See the next one, 80,594, 89,054, 80,495. Again this one is the greater. So first of all write it 89,054. After that see here also 80, here also 80. But see this one 594, 495. Okay, so this number is bigger than this. So 80,594, then comes 80,495. Okay, today we will do up to this much only. In the next video we will continue. Okay, so subscribe it. Now we will continue in the next video. Bye bye.